In the chat module, you have the option to switch between open and closed statuses for your conversations. When a new message is received from a contact, it will be in the open status. This is useful when you're starting a new conversation or expecting a reply from the customer soon. To manually close a conversation, simply hover over the three dots button and select the Close Conversation action. Now, let's talk about broadcast messages. If you send a broadcast message to contacts that you haven't previously conversed with on SleekFlow, their conversation status will be automatically set to closed. However, you can easily reopen the conversation if needed. When a customer replies to a closed conversation, the status will automatically change to open. This ensures that you don't miss any important messages from your customers. Managing conversation statuses and utilizing broadcast messages allows for efficient communication and better customer engagement within SleekFlow.